Good morning, my name is Robert Radway. Today we're doing tapas from Spain, from the northern of Spain. The idea of tapas originally came from France as canapes. Spain took it by themselves, changed the name, and put it into tapas. Chorizo of sidra. The chorizos from Spain, boiled in sidra, and then glazed with the sidra as they are cooking, sliced. We have fried calamares, and then we have jamon serrano. Grate the tomato, strain it, add garlic, very, very finely chopped, olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. Small 1 to 2 bite pieces on top of the bread. Okay? We put a nice covering on top. Something that we can eat in 1 to 2 bites. And of course you need to have a decoration of the calamares that have been fried on top. Thank you for joining us today here at the Universidad de Oriente International Culinary Center. If you would like more information, please contact us.